In this lesson, we will continue operators. Now the bitwise operators we will see will be the complement operator. How we will use it? To represent it, we use the symbol negation. If I write negation variable 1, if I am going to solve this, it is giving me output minus 16. This variable works like this. Negation means it will change its sign. Then in VAR, it will add 1 also. We can also call it 1's complement. It will add 1 and change its sign. In our variable 1 we had 15. If we want to verify this, then first we will convert 15 into bit. We will write print bin var1. This result also we will convert into binary to check. It has shown the output with both bits. The binary form of 15 is 1111 and the binary form of 16 is 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. We will use this as a complement in Python. This is a bitwise comparison. The next operation is shift operator. We will change a value for easy understanding. Here I will write var2 as 2. First we will see left shift. How does it work? We will use double less than sign for left shift. Variable 1 left shift variable 2. We will convert variable 1 in binary form and variable 2 also. When we run this, the output has been shown 60. If convert the answer is binary, then we will know whether the output is correct or not. We converted complete result in binary. It has shown the output 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60. We will check this also. Our answer is 60. How shift operator works? When it converted variable 1 in binary, left variable 1 2 times, variable 2 value is 2. Variable 1 value is 15. It converted 15 into binary, that is 1, 1, 1. It shifted it 2 times to left side. When it shifted it to left side, then embedded 2 zeros on right side. After shifting, our number 15 has been converted to 60. If we convert to right shift, it will shift to right side, and when it shifted to right side, the answer which came, the digits which were given, it moved them to the right side. These two numbers are exempted. The result is shown on the basis of two remaining numbers, which is 60. These were our operators which we will use in our Python programming. Relational operators, comparison operators, assignment operators will be used more. In bitwise, we have another type we will discuss in the next lesson.